Welcome to Julie's writing tutorial for Creative Writers Vlog. Good day, writers. Today we're going to discuss the right mindset to become a writer or author. This is part 2, Embrace Change to Improve as a Writer. Do you have the mindset to achieve your writing aspirations? And how do we define mindset anyway? According to most sources, your mindset is a set of beliefs and the way they influence your perceptions of the world or yourself. Your mindset influences your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in various situations. Whether true or not, those ideas and beliefs impact you. Your mindset can fluctuate and influence your behavior in different ways. This is because every situation is governed by a unique set of beliefs which trigger a response. Your successes and failures are the outcome of that response. As you can see, our perception of our writing abilities can affect our approach to the craft. Our mental framework, or mindset, lays the groundwork for our progression and impacts our writing. Dr. Carol Dweck is a renowned psychologist and the author of Mindset, The New Psychology of Success: How We Can Learn to Fulfill Our Potential. Dr. Dweck explains that we have either a fixed or a growth mindset. Yet our mindset is not a static trait. It is changeable. If we want to improve our writing mindset, we must embrace change. We must learn to set goals and prioritize. Address our feelings as a writer. Speak positively to ourselves and listen to the empowering words of our writing coaches and mentors. But it's important to understand that thoughts are not reality. Often, we make assumptions about ourselves and others that are far from accurate. We fail to recognize our hidden potential, and in this case, our abilities as growing writers. Productivity and persistence are the key elements of a writer's success. What sets them apart, however, is their willingness to change. A writer with a fixed mindset will be embarrassed by their mistakes, yet a writer with a mature outlook will accept mistakes and feedback as lessons for growth. They will bravely accept challenges as opportunities to gain skills and acquire abilities they never knew they had. The world needs authentic writers. Writers who are willing to invest in the effort and time required to be themselves. Self-acceptance is the hallmark of an excellent mindset. Writers must learn to trust their abilities. There is no need to impress anyone or focus on speed. To become an eloquent writer takes time and diligence. Don't allow fear to become an obstacle for you, my creative writer. Be up for the challenge and overcome adversity with the right mindset. On your marks, get ready, set your goals. Love and happy writing.